Alam mo yung line na wala namang mawawala kung susubukan. Baka sakali. Yan ang pinakamadaling paraan para mawala ang iyong pinaghirapang pera. Recently, may nagtanong sa akin. Nag-chat daw yung kanyang close friend. Meron siyang sinend na dashboard sa kanyang messenger. May kita raw siya daily. Pwede mo daw siyang i-withdraw and pwede mong gamitin lang ang iyong GCash account. Walang produkto, walang effort, kita lang. Wow! Sabi niya, trending daw ito at pati yung pamilya niya kasali doon. At kumikita sila. Kaya ayun, ini-invite siya para sumali na. At ang tanong, legit kaya ito? So here's what I told her and here's what you have to hear too. Kahit gaano kaganda ang kwento, kahit pa dashboard na may kita ang pinapakita sa'yo, if it's all about earning without effort, may red flag na yan. So, ito yung mga red flag to watch out for. Una, pumasok ka lang tas kikita ka na. Passive income kuno, pero walang malinaw na produkto, walang serbisyo, walang skills na involved. Ito yung totoo. Real passive income takes time, capital, or value. At tandaan, scammy platforms promise shortcuts. Number 2 na red flag. GCash lang kailangan mo. Yes, madaling makuha ang pera, pero mas madali rin mawala. Kapag sobrang dali ang pag-sign up at pag-transfer, red flag yan. Walang business na legit ang ganyan kabilis ang return. Number 3, dashboard proof at testimonials lang ang pinapakita. Madaling gawin ang fake earning screens. Ito yung hanapin mo. Ano yung totoong or tunay na business model? May produkto ba? Gumagamit ba ng legit na technology? Number 4, trending ngayon pressure. Huwag kang magpasama sa hype. Kahit trending pa yan, hindi ibig sabihin safe. At ang pang-5, wala namang mawawala kung susubukan. Marami ang nagsasabi niyan at marami na rin ang nawalan ng pera. Tandaan, hindi dahil maliit ang puhunan ay ligtas na. Madalas, paunti-unti kang mawawalan hanggang di mo na mababawi. Tips to protect yourself and your family. Unang tip, ask uncomfortable questions. Ano ba talaga yung pinagkakakitaan dito? Kung walang bagong sasali, kikita pa ba ako? May produkto ba or serbisyo ito? Pangalawang tip, don't confuse tech with legitimacy. Kahit may dashboard, charts, AI-looking interface, kung walang tunay na value, fake yan. Number 3 tip, verify outside their circle. Wag lang sa nag-invite ka magtanong. Mag-research, i-google, hanap ng independent review. Pang-4 na tip, trust your gut and your research. If something feels off, it probably is. If it feels too easy, too good, and too quick, it's a bait. Pain. Pang-5 tip, help your loved ones. Ask smarter questions. Hindi ito pagkontra, ito ay pagmamahal. Teach them na hindi lahat ng kumikinang ay ginto, lalo na sa online. Entrepreneurship is powerful. It teaches us how to create, how to serve, and how to grow our income in honest, empowering ways. But these schemes, they teach shortcuts that go nowhere except sa luhaan. Don't be pressured by the idea of easy income. Don't be fooled by the dashboards and promises. And don't be afraid to say, I've worked hard for this money. I'll protect it with wisdom, not wishful thinking.